Hi, I'm Lakin Davidson, and I'm going to be telling you how parts of the cell relate to parts of the school building.
The first and most important part of a cell is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, meaning it controls all the functions that go on inside of the cell. A nucleus is like the principal of the school because the principal controls what goes on inside of a school, just like the nucleus does inside of a cell.
Lysosomes are eukaryotic and are found in both plant and animal cells. The job is to get rid of all the waste inside of the cell. Sort of like the janitor's job is to get rid of all the trash inside the school.
The Golgi apparatus is a complex of vessels and folded membranes within the cytoplasm of most eukaryotic cells. Secretion and intracellular transport, and this is like the teachers, because teachers take information and ship it to the kids.
There's also the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This breaks down carbs, detoxifies your blood, and does lipid synthesis. This is like the cafeteria of a school because children are breaking down the food that they're eating just like the smoothie R breaks down carbs.
The cytoskeleton are both eukaryotic and prokaryotic. The job is to give support and structure to the cell, sort of like the guidance counselor's job is to support all the students inside of the school.
The mitochondria is an organelle found in large numbers in most cells, in which the biochemical processes of respiration and energy production occur. And this is like the boiler room, because the boiler room holds mechanical and electrical equipment like energy production for the school building.
Another part of a cell is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. This does protein synthesis. This is like the classroom in a school because the teachers are building up the students the way that the rough ER builds up the proteins.
The centriole are eukaryotic and are found only in plant cells. Their job is to control the microtubules found in cytoplasm during cell division. It's sort of like how the teachers control the flow of students throughout the school, throughout the hallways.
The chloroplast is found in plant cells, and it's a plastid and contains chlorophyll, in which photosynthesis takes place. And it's like the classroom, but instead of photosynthesis taking place, learning is taking place.
Another part of a cell is the nucleolus. The nucleolus is where the RNA is made. This is like the office of a school because this is where the important papers are made.
The cell membrane are prokaryotic and eukaryotic. They control what goes in and outside of the cell. Sort of like the front doors of the school controls what goes in and outside of the school.
The vacuole is a space or vessel within the cytoplasm of a cell enclosed by a membrane and typically contains fluid. And this is like a storage closet, but instead of containing the cell's fluid, it stores things for the school building.